What does your crazy neighbor do to be labeled the crazy neighbor? We have this huge oak tree in our front yard that's been there for 50+ years. Everyone in the neighborhood loves it, except our elderly neighbor. Since we moved in, he's been obsessed with this tree. Every single morning, he'd knock on our door complaining and convincing us to remove the tree or whatever new problem he made up. We tried being nice about it, explained the tree was healthy and not causing issues, but he wouldn't stop. It got so bad we had to get a restraining order because of his constant harassment. He started going to city council meetings and filing complaints to force us to cut it down. The tree is 10 feet from his property line, and he'd lived there 40 years, bothering every previous owner about it too. Well, we went on a 2-week vacation, and this man decided to take matters into his own hands. Instead of hiring professionals, he tried cutting down this massive oak tree by himself. Well, the tree fell right onto his house, crushed half his roof. Turns out he had no insurance and no savings to fix it. The city fined him for cutting down a protected tree without permits, and put a lien on his house for removal costs. Now he's living in a half-crushed house because he can't afford repairs. Karma's got a sense of humor, I guess.